Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Neha Goel and my subject is Knowledge and Curriculum, Perspective of Education. The topic for today is Significance of Curriculum in School Education, Teaching and Instruction. Meaning of teaching. Teaching is such a process through which different types of activities are performed for bringing about desirable change in students' behavior. Teaching is a dynamic and well-planned process with the main objective of providing a variety of learning experiences. Teaching is a scientific process and its major components are content, communication, and feedback. The main aim of teaching is to bring about a change in learners' behavior. Some of the popular definitions of teaching are teaching is the stimulation, guidance, direction, and encouragement of learning by person. According to Clark, teaching refers to activities that are designed and performed to produce change in students' behavior. According to Simpson, teaching is a means whereby society trains the young in a selected environment as quickly as possible to adjust themselves to the world in which they live. According to Amidon, teaching is defined as an interactive process primarily involving classroom talk which takes place between teachers and pupil and occurs during certain definable activities. Meaning of instruction. Instruction is the purposeful direction of the learning process. It is one of the major teacher class activities. It is the act of educating, giving the steps that must be followed or an order. The purpose of instruction is to help people learn. It includes activities of educating or instructing, activities that impart knowledge or understanding. Difference between teaching and instruction. Teaching is a twofold activity of communication, whereas instruction is one-fold activity of communication. Teaching is an interactive process, whereas instruction is not an interactive process. Teaching provides scope to search and explore new knowledge, whereas instruction's purpose is to communicate the knowledge and convey the information. Objective of teaching is overall development of an individual, whereas instruction is concerned with the development of knowledge and understanding only. Teaching provides active and creative environment, whereas instruction promotes passive and controlled environment. Teacher works as a guide and a facilitator, whereas during instruction, teacher works as an instructor. Teaching is influenced by philosophical, psychological, and scientific principles, whereas instruction is based upon input, output, and process. Teaching can be student-oriented, situation-oriented, content-oriented, or teacher-oriented, whereas instruction is always student-oriented. Teaching promotes team learning, whereas no scope of team learning is there in instruction. Teaching follows progressive approach, instruction follows regressive approach. Teaching may include instruction, whereas instruction itself can never be called teaching. It is a part of teaching. Teaching includes development of all three domains, cognitive, affective, and psychomotor, whereas in instruction works only for development of cognitive domain. In teaching, evaluation is based on learning outcomes related to all the three domains, whereas in instruction, evaluation is based on learning outcomes related to cognitive domain only. In teaching, outcomes of teaching are shaping of behavior, conduct, knowledge, transmission, belief, and value, whereas outcome of instruction is knowledge transmission only. Thank you.